What's going on, guys? For those who don't know, my name is Tyrese Collins and I'm back with another finance video. Today we're going to be going over the stock market and how I called out my trade with SQQQ and what I did to lock in some profits today. So if you haven't seen the previous video, I called out that the stock market was going to drop and I talked about how I was going to prepare myself to take advantage of this market drop. So right in front of us, we have SQQQ. And if you saw my last video, I talked about how SQs does the opposite of what the NASDAQ does. So if the NASDAQ goes up, SQs goes down. And if the NASDAQ goes down, SQs goes up right there as you see. So if we zoom in for the past couple days, moving till today, I bought around the low of $8.32 around here when it was consolidating. I got in a little bit early. As I said, there's a risk when you do these plays. And as the market began to sell off, you begin to see these inverse ETFs start to push up. So it pushed up above the moving average, and I'm on a 180-day chart. I'm using Thinkorswim TD Ameritrade platform. And so I saw that there was going to be this upwards movement, and I ended up selling today. I took profit at around $9.23. So roughly almost that was almost about $1 gain roughly. So let's see here, what is the percent? So about I would say about almost that's showing almost 9%, but I'd say about 10% gains just based off of where I bought it at. And the reason why I'm going to break this down, the reason why I made this trade is because the market, I believed personally on how I trade, was overbought. So if we go here and we check out the NASDAQ /NQ is what I'm using here. The NASDAQ was hitting higher highs, right? Almost $15,000 per share is reaching higher highs. And I said, this can't sustain for longer. And I called it out in my video. Guys, I stressed enough. If you guys watch my video, you guys will see my call outs. I'm not blowing smoke here. I'm giving you guys the truth. I called it out. I said there could be a potential drop to the 200 moving average, simple moving average right here. And guess what, guys? It almost dropped to the 200 moving average. I locked in profits at the lows today. I locked in profits. And guess what? You saw this small little push up back here. Yes, it can continue to sell off. Doesn't mean it have to. Maybe it will pop back up tomorrow. You never know. You never know what can happen. But I did predict the sell-off here, what we call a correction, and now we can begin to start seeing maybe a potential push, or maybe it can continue to sell off. But I locked in my profits, and we'll see what happens within the week here. A little update now on my AMC trade. AMC had a huge, massive push today, and I'm very thankful for that, but I'm still at a loss. I kind of bought too high. I'm averaging down, but hey, I believe in the trade. I think we can get a massive push off of AMC just simply off of demand. Man, guys, the ape community is holding this stock together, and we're going to beat these market movers. We're going to beat these huge hedge funds, and I believe that this is possible for us to do. So I'm holding strong, and I'm also holding strong in my 8 point position, which also had a huge push today, which I'm very thankful. I think 8 Point is a phenomenal company. They are 100% no debt whatsoever, all revenue. They are cash flowing and a lot of potential moving in for the future. So please check those guys out. If you guys like what my video if you guys like my videos, if you like what I'm putting out, please smash that subscribe button. All I'm trying to do is help you guys out, learn a little, learn with you guys, and hopefully we can make some money together and help somebody in the process. So thank you guys for watching. I can't wait to see you on the next video.